Hey guys, I'm Aki from tailwalk.
I'm Haruka from tailwalk.
We want to introduce today about our new lineup from tailwalk in this autumn 2020. Let's go! First, EGIST SSD. This is the standard model for egging, and it's a successor model after SSD L egging. We changed the structure on the material from the last one to set the best balance between lightweight and strength. Also, the rear grip length is a little bit shorter from the last one for easiness of jerking technique. There are 6 models from 7.9L to 8.6M. So we want each angler to take the best spec for feels and styles.
Next, Super AJIST TZ. AJIST TZ is the high-end model of AJIST. Here is the additional model for Super AJIST TZ. This time, we will release 2 lengths of titanium top model. One is 47 TISL, and one is 61 TISL. If RG is not on feeding time, like not active time, the bite will be very small, like a kiss. And then this titanium top will easy to follow the bite. That is, you can catch fishes even if the bite is very small. Of course, this rod is good to normal situation too. 61 TISL is good for open area. You need to cast with long distance or deep. 46 TISL is good for closed area like harbor or dock, and its action range for example twitch quickly and shortly. The spec is this Super AJIST TZ has all Fuji torosidal guide on it. The material of the rod is high elasticity carbon, 40 ton carbon, and there is a grip made from titanium. I recommend use this rod with about under 3 gram jig head with polyester line.
This is tip bang SSD. This is the standard model for tip ram, and it's a successor model after SSD tip ram. We selected a higher class carbon material so that the blank has a great sensitivity. There are 3 deep models that have stronger butt section. You can find the bite of squids more clearly when you use it for deep range fishing and also for fast tide. Please feel high quality in the standard class.
Next, SAKURAMAS-JIG SSD. The additional model of SAKURAMAS-JIG SSD and its lightest model in series. SAKURAMAS-JIGing is a local jigging style in North area in Japan, but we found this is actually multi-purpose rod with all solid blanks for light jigging or slow jigging with 100 gram jigs. This softest model is good especially for shallow area.
SAKURAMAS-JIG SSD C650. $1.5 kilo. Next is OUTBACK. This is the additional models for OUTBACK. And there is two bait casting models. These are short and strong models. And we have more two spinning models. They are 7 feet, medium light and medium heavy. These four models have specs we think as most useful. Of course, all models have closed length less than 51 cm as current lineup. This is in the case of 12 feet rods. If the rod is very long, then if you use it normally, the position of edge is too low and will touch to the land. So then you can use this sub belt to hold this main belt. You can just like this. Then the edge doesn't touch to the earth. This is the two-piece rod holder big. And we have two color, red one and black one. So please use the one which. So next is the measure sticker. This is the sticker type fish measure. You can cut and put this onto flat side of your tools. For example, on the cooler box or tackle box or something like that. It's easy to use and reasonable price, really reasonable price, and a good option for anglers who often forget the fish measure. This is the additional color of sunshade face cover. So this material has very good breathability and it blocks the UV light. And I recommend this white color, especially for a long fishing trip under the hot areas and a lot of sunshine. And also there is black color and blue color as well.